Hello Mark, it's Zurab here at Vos Motors, doing this video especially for you of this beautiful SV650. It has some nice upgrades on it. LED headlight, the windshield, the radiator guard, the frame sliders, the tank protectors, and the side grips. It has the heated grips as well. It's in absolutely perfect condition. This is the fender eliminator, it's Yoshimura, and has spools for a center stand. The bike is available, it's ready to go, it's fully certified with an oil change done on it. So if you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. Plus, I know you have a trade-in. Please send me more details about your trade so we can work some numbers out and I'll tell you the difference. Thank you.